pleasant morning wishes to each and everyone present here. I deem it as an honor to welcome our Director Academics, Academic in Charge, Secondary in Charge, and Head Curriculum Department, Development and Training, our parents, my dear students, on this momentous day. Read 1,000 books and your words will flow like a river. We have all assembled here to encourage, appreciate, and nurture young talents who are going to participate in the English EQUIS Finale 2020-21. This challenges of nuances, proses, literature, and elements that make up this resplendent language continues one last time with you, our finalist. Your extraordinary command on the subject and your linguistic talents have brought a select few to this finale round. And now it's time to don your thinking caps, claps an author's pen, and give this challenge your literary best. Your words have all the power to make you victorious out there. All that you need now is simply to write across. On this occasion, I would like to advise all the participants who are representative of the school to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship, as the ultimate victory in a competition is derived from the inner satisfaction of knowing that you have done your best and you got the most out of what you have performed. Remember that opportunity knocks at the door of every individual, but the one who recognizes it is the real winner and goes up in life. Hence, every participant here is a winner, irrespective of any result. So be positive and be a good sport because there is no life without sport and no sport without competition. Once again, I would like to welcome you all. Wish you good luck to all the participants. Let your intellect shine. Let the rolling of brain race with every passing of minutes. So let's go on with this roller coaster ride, everybody. And here we go with the introduction of all the participants out there. As I say your names, please wave out to the audience out. And here we go with the list for the first house. That is the Delphinus House. From here we have Master Subhak Shwartz, Miss Advita Subramaniam, Miss Hiral Raheja, Miss Toshvi Pawar. A round of applause for all of them. Moving ahead, we are now going ahead and calling out the names of the Phoenix House, Miss Soumya Sahu, Miss Master Aditya Karu, Master Aryan Teriyar, Miss Khwaish Mahajan. All the very best. Moving ahead, we have now with us children from the Pegasus out there, Miss Shreya Chitra, Miss Parnika Bhatt, Miss Ananya Salonkar, Miss Ritika Chaturvedi. The girls have taken the scroll here. All the very best. Moving ahead, the last one here, the Cygnus House representatives, Master Krish Dhyani, Miss Yashna Kumar, Miss Tilotima Ghosh, Master Ved Madhuvar. All the best, everybody. Without further delay, I know you're all geared up. All the very best, giving your best out. Here we go with the very first round. All set? Before we start up, just a few introduction rules to keep in mind as we proceed with the very first round, which goes as each team would be asked 4 questions. 10 marks will be there for every correct answer and no negative marking. So you're relieved from that thing. It's a team, cannot answer there. It won't be forwarded out there. You'll be having a 30 seconds to answer the question. And if it's an incorrect answer, the answer will be told towards the end. So all set. We'll be starting off with the Delphinus House. So all set. Here we go. Delphinus House. So I'm going to read up something. You need to tell me which genre it belongs to. Journey to the Center of the Earth by Julius Verne, the story of a German professor who believes there are volcanic tubes going towards the center of the Earth. He, his nephew Axel, and their guide Hans climb down a crater and have many wild adventures, encountering dinosaurs and prehistoric men. They eventually return to the surface again in southern Italy. Now, is it a science fiction, realistic fiction, biography, informational writing? And your time start now. Delphinus House, you can discuss, give an answer. Which genre it belongs to?
Science fiction.
The
I
science
think it's
fiction,
realistic
said that?
fiction. Science.
Yeah, absolutely correct. So 10 marks goes to the Delphinos. Good start. Now, moving ahead with the next one, we have the Phoenix House. All set? The Big Book of Science, grades 5 and 6 by Martin School Publishing. This science book for grades 5 and 6, the fun and fundamental. Students complete a variety of exercises to develop the science skill using materials that can be found at home. This version contains 62 practice activities. Which genre it belongs to? Science, fiction,
Informational
realistic?
writing.
Biography, innovation related. When the timer start up, so your time clock starts now, and it's after that clock you're supposed to give your answer. So here you go. What's the answer? Can you repeat it again?
Informational writing.
Perfectly said. A round of applause for the participant, Arun Teriyar. Very good. The correct answer is there. It's
Very
informational
good.
writing. Very good. Moving ahead with the next category, the same Yono category with Pegasus. All set? It's a very small story you all have heard about. The fox trying to get the grapes out there. So there was a fox out there who saw the grape orchard out there and found a batch of beautiful grapes hanging from a high branch. Now he wanted that out, so he tried to climb it up, but it was running short out there. He was not able to climb it up. He took a start run and tried to gauge up again, but eventually he was not able to get the grapes. So at last, what he said out there, he said the grapes are sour anyway. It is easy to hate what you can't do out there. Leave it. So is it a myth? Is it a fairy tale, a fable, or a biography? And Pegasus, your time starts now.
Ma'am, it's a fable.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a
Ma'am,
yes.
fable.
Perfectly said. Very good. A round of applause for the participant. You can unmute yourself to applaud them. Very good. Coming to the next
Well
one,
done, well done.
Cygnus, all set up. Here comes the next one for you all. Rapunzel story you all have heard about, right? Rapunzel, adapted by Craig Hooper. Once upon a time, a young girl named Rapunzel was running an errand to her mother. The evil witch kidnaps her and imprisons her in the Tower of Castle. After years in the tower, Rapunzel grows big, beautiful hair. Having seen nobody but the evil witch she wrote life, Rapunzel is very lonely. One day, a prince wanders by and climbs up her hair. The witch doesn't like this, and action ensues. Eventually, the prince and Rapunzel live happily ever after. Which Yana Cygnus it belongs to? Myth, fairy tale, fable,
Ma'am, fairy
and
tale.
biography.
Fairy tale.
Fairy
Ma'am, fairy
tale.
tale.
So, what's a fairy tale and what's a fable? Anyone knowing the difference between that? What's a fairy tale and a fable?
A fable is a
Ma'am,
story in which like animals can talk. It's in a different.
Absolutely. So fable tells you about the values that you learn and from the animals out there, the birds are there, characters from the nature are there, which gives you the values out there. While fairy tales are imaginative creatures which are being created out of mind out there.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
that's the difference fairy tale and fables. So very good. All of the four of you have performed very well. Excellent. A round of applause for everybody out there. Moving
Yes,
ahead
well done, well
with
done.
the second question out there. The second question goes about with the verbal analogy. You have to tell me the relation of the word out there. Gulton is related to eat, as garrulous is related to what? Walk, talk, laugh, or travel. And your time start now, Delphinus House. Is it walk, talk, laugh, or travel?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, it will be walk.
Pardon?
Walk, ma'am, option number one.
The walk is the incorrect answer. It is talk. Garrulous means person who is very talkative. Okay, so it's okay. Moving ahead with the next one. The Phoenix House. Major is related to lieutenant, as squadron leader is related to whom? You are having the flying attendant, captain, flying officer, or pilot officer. And your time starts now. Think about the hierarchy. Major is related to lieutenant, as squadron is related to whom?
Ma'am, flying officer. No, no, pilot officer. No, wait. Ma'am,
Which one you go with? Let me be assured. Which one?
Flying
Shall I lock
officer.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Flying officer is locked. And do you think it's the correct one? Absolutely is the correct one. Very good. A round of applause for you. Very good. Moving ahead now. Pegasus, are you all ready now? So laborer is related to wages, as entrepreneur is related to what? Loan, interest, profit, or taxes. And your time starts now.
Ma'am, profit.
Laborer is
Ma'am, yes.
profit. Are you sure,
Ma'am, profit.
Ananya? Shall I
Yes,
close
ma'am.
it there? Perfect. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am,
we are
because
closing up with
entrepreneur is
profit.
business.
And you gain the profit of 10 marks. Very well done. Good work. A round of applause. Very nice. Now moving ahead with the Cygnus house. Are you ready? Genuine is related to authentic. Genuine is authentic. Mirage is what? Reflection, hideout, illusion, or image. And your time starts now.
Illusion, I guess. Answer should be illusion.
Think about.
Yeah, ma'am. Illusion. Illusion.
Ma'am, illusion. Illusion.
Sure, it's illusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Shall I take it?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly tell me. It's 10
Yes, ma'am.
seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
So we stop with illusion. Very good. Perfectly said. A round of applause for them. Very nicely. I can't hear your applauses. Be loud for your friends out there. So this was the second questionnaire we were going with. Now moving ahead with the third questionnaire for Delphinus House. All set? Now you have to tell the pen name. The authors known by their pen name. First is Charles Dickens, Pip, Kip, Zip, Boys. It's Pip, Kip, Zip, Boys, and the time starts now.
Boys. VOZ.
Boys, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
So we lock it? Okay,
Yes,
so we
ma'am,
go
boys.
with boys. Absolutely correct, Toshvi. Very good. So how were you able to gauge that? Did you knew about that? Very good. Moving ahead with the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely. Agatha Christie, you all have heard about her, read novels about her. The pen name. Mary Westnott, author collaborate, W.H. Ward, or Lady Agatha.
Mary
Think about
Westmacott.
Agatha Christie. Pardon?
Mary Westmacott.
Yep.
Mary Westmont. Are you sure?
Yes,
Have you,
ma'am.
the entire team is sure with this thing?
Yes,
Shall we lock it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Mary
it's Mary
Westmacott.
Westmont. I think the answer is it's the correct one. Very good. So you gain up the 10 marks for this thing. Very nice. Now comes the Pegasus. Are you all set in Pegasus? Here we go with you. Emily Bronte. Is it Ellis Bell, Branwell Enfort, Jessie J, or P. Randolph?
Alice Bell.
Ellis Bell. Who said that?
Shreya.
Shreya. Okay, Ellis Bell. Sure, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt. Yeah, have you heard about it?
Yes.
So I'll take it up. Lock it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going with Ellis Bell. What do you think? It is the right one?
I hope so.
You think so? I think if you'd have chosen Jessie J, it would have been the incorrect one. Yours is the right one. Perfectly said. Very good.
Well done, Shreya. That
Very
was
well.
spontaneous.
Going with the Cygnus. All set? Here we go with, you all know her. J.K. Rowling, Joan Rowling. You all know her. Mary Potter, Robert Galbraith, Newland Archer, or Rita Ora. Which one do you think, Joan Rowling?
Ma'am,
You have know her, J.K. Rowling? So what's the pen name?
I'm Robert Galbraith.
Who said that?
Ma'am,
Who
Tilotama.
go wait and somebody else along with that? Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have avid readers among myself. Very good. Very nice. It's a correct answer. Perfectly said. Very good. A round of applause for you all. So you are very good avid readers out there. Great going. So with this, we are ending the third questionnaire round. Very good going. Everybody out there, all the houses. Let's go ahead with the poetic device. So on the dusty earth drum beats the falling rain. Not now a whispered murmur, now a louder strain. Is it an onomatopoeia, metaphor, personification, or repetition?
Personification.
So it is onomatopoeia, dear, because it's like the whisper, the murmurs being said. That is the sound effect coming in. So it's onomatopoeia. Now comes Phoenix. Are you all set in? Now we have the full Phoenix. My mind is a puddle in the street reflecting green. Simile, metaphor, personification, onomatopoeia. Your time starts now. Think through. You have time of 30 seconds. Be sure. My mind is a puddle in the street reflecting green. Is it a simile, a metaphor, personification, or onomatopoeia?
Come on. There's only 8 seconds to
It's
go.
5 seconds going to be
Metaphor.
Metaphor.
Ma'am, metaphor.
metaphor. Shall we lock that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just on the time, but the answer was absolutely correct. It's a metaphor. Very good.
Wonderful students. Well done.
Moving ahead with the next house, we have the Pegasus out there. When the Patriots defeated the Redcoat Army, freedom rang across the fruited plains. Simile, metaphor, personification, irony. Pegasus, your time starts now. When the Patriots defeated the Redcoat Army, freedom rang across the fruited plains. Think through, you have time. But before this time gets over, give the answer.
Ma'am, personification?
Personification, sure. Shall I take it up?
Oh, yes.
So we are going with personification. So why Ritika personification?
Because we are comparing freedom like it's running across the fruited
Absolutely
plain.
correct with the reasoning. The correct answer perfectly tuned personification. Very good with the reasoning. Keep it up. A round of applause for Ritika. Very good. Now comes the Cygnus house. 100 miles of landscape spread before me like a fan. A simile.
Ma'am, simile.
Simile. Why simile? Wait.
Ma'am,
Before the
like is
timer
there and ma'am, like is there
the
and also
word like
comparison.
is there. Perfectly said. Great going. So now we have come to the end of the 4-question round out there. All want to know the scores out there? Excited to know how much each one is scoring? So
Yeah,
let's go with the scoreboard. I will now request Garima ma'am to tell us the score.
A very good morning to all my dear students. All have performed extremely well in round 1. At the end of round 1, the scores are as follows. Delphinus House, 20 points. Phoenix House, 40 points. Pegasus House, 40 points. And Cygnus House, 40 points. Give a huge round of applause for all participants.
So unmute yourself and give a round of applause for each one of yourself. Very good going. Thank
you, ma'am.
Well done, students. Great going.
Great going.
Great competition.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very
Everybody's
neck
doing
to
great
neck.
out there, neck to neck. Let's see who takes over the other. So with the visual round, so we all know it's a visual round, meaning something would be there for you to depict out. So before we start up with the rules coming in, the rules as follows. You'll be having, each team will be getting one visual image out there. You have to find out what that pertaining thing is. And you will be having 10 marks for the correct answer coming across. Again, no negative markings. You are saved for the day. 30 seconds for each answer. Only when the timer starts up, you're supposed to give the answer. Keep that in mind. And if the answer is incorrect, towards after 30 seconds, I'll be revealing the correct answer. So all set? Shall we go ahead? All are my avid readers, and I know you'll be getting the answers on the shot, but wait for the timer to start up. So here we go with the very first visual image. Famous book title. You have seen the movies also, and here the time goes for Delphinus. It starts up now. You have seen the movies also. This novel is based on the movies is based on a particular novel.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the Chronicles of
Chronicles
Narnia.
of Narnia.
The Chronicles of Narnia. How many of you read it? It's right one, or some other version of that thing itself? There are different versions out there, different parts of the storyline. Do you think it's the same one? Yes or no?
Think, students, think.
Think it is the Lion, the
Think
Witch, and the Cupboard. The one.
Yes,
Yeah.
perfectly with the end of round 1 of this visual round. Perfectly, the answer was both of them the correct one. Definitely, you're great readers out there. Way to go. You're able to recognize the particular book title. Round of applause for
Very
all of
good.
you out there. Very good out there. Now, proceeding ahead with the Phoenix House. Are you all ready? Here comes your visual image, and your time starts now. You would have seen this particular movie also based on the novel out there. If you can reflect upon and see the image carefully, It's something easy recognizable out there. The other group, some of them are ready to give the answers. If you don't know, I can see the curiosity out there. They know
Ma'am,
the
The
book out
Hobbit?
there. The Hobbit. Do you think it's the right one?
Yes, because it's looking like his home.
It's looking. Shall we take it? The time is running. It's 4 seconds now. It's 3. It's a 1. So what shall I take it? Take it across?
Hobbit.
Hobbit. Yes, it's absolutely the correct one.
Very good, Aryan.
Phoenix House. The correct one. Very good. A round of applause. Moving ahead with the next Pegasus. All set in? Yes. Can you see the visual? Your time starts now. It's a famous book. Movie has been made of it. Movie which has won a Clouds Out. You might have seen the movie also if you have not read the book. Think through it. It's 15 seconds. Reflect upon a very famous movie.
Ma'am, is it the Lord of the Rings?
Do you think, shall I take it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritika told the Lord of the Rings at the last spur of the moment out there. But I think the answer is absolutely correct. Very good, Ritika. Last moment. Very nice. A huge round of
Well played,
applause.
Ritika.
Pegasus House. Very good. The next one coming, Cygnus, for you. Be ready. It's a very famous book title out there. Movie has come across. Shreya is knowing the answer. I can see from expressions you know the answer out there. I want to give it. Cygnus, your timer already started. Think through. Who all knows the answers? Raise your hands from the other houses. Okay, the Shreya, I could well guess it. You were knowing it. 10 seconds. Cygnus.
Ma'am, The Fault in Our Stars.
Pardon?
The Fault in Our Stars.
What is the correct answer? Absolutely, The Fall in the Stars is the correct answer out there. Very good. Great going. Very nice. So we have come to the end of the visual round. Let's all of you have performed very well in this. I would request Garima ma'am to come out and tell us the scores.
So, are you all excited to know your scores? Say yes or no. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
would like all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
Ma'am.
Or you already know the scores.
I can.
All right. So we have Cespedes House with 30 points, Phoenix House 50 points, Pegasus House with 50 points, and Cygnus with 50 points. So a huge round of applause for all the participants.
Good.
Well done. Keep going.
So the
Keep it up.
So who is leading?
next competition coming in.
Who is
Very
leading?
good. Very good.
I think all the three houses are leading. Phoenix, Pegasus, and Cygnus. So let us see
Lovely.
round 3 and then in round 4 and then we'll have the
Yes.
final scores. Okay, would request Mamta ma'am to continue further.
Thank you so much, Garima ma'am. So now we are set for the next one. This might be a testing thing for some of you. It's the audio round coming in. So yes, your listening skill, how much you have been an avid reader, listener, will be now focused across. So before we start with this audio round, the rules coming in. Each house will get one of the audio clips out there. 10 marks for the correct answer. No marks being deducted if you're wrong out there. 30 seconds will be given. Start your answer only when the timer starts up. And if it's an incorrect answer, the answers will be told to you towards the end. So all set in. Let's start with the very first audio for Delphinus House. Along with the timer, it will start up. So please keep an eye on the timer and your audio will start in together.
Find true success and happiness. If you have only one goal, there really is only one, and that is this: to fulfill the highest, most truthful expression of yourself as a human being. You want to max out your humanity by using your energy to lift yourself up.
Yes, please go ahead and give the answer. I guess Mamta ma'am is there very much with us.
Ma'am, it's by Oprah Winfrey.
Okay, time is still there, so ma'am will tell you the right answer after the 30 seconds.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you repeat your answer once?
Once
Ma'am,
again, repeat
Oprah
it.
Winfrey.
Yes. Oprah Winfrey. Absolutely correct, Subhaksh. Very well done. You were able to recognize the voice out there. Very good. So it's Oprah Winfrey out there. Absolutely. The great person who has been going with the interviews around the world. Absolutely, yes. Moving with the next one, Phoenix House. Are you all set in to hear this audio clip? Here we go.
My life between 22 yards for 24 years. It's hard to believe that that wonderful journey is coming to an end. But I would like to take this opportunity to thank people who've played an important role in my life. Also, for the first time in my life, I'm carrying this list to remember all the names. In case I forget someone, I hope you understand. It's getting a little difficult to talk, but I'll manage.
And your time starts now. Shreya is knowing, Krish is knowing the answer. They're getting swaggy out there. Okay, we want to give the answer. Phoenix House. Your timer already started. It's a very easy one. Come
I'm
on.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Really?
I don't know.
Aryan, you don't have to ask, you have to say.
Yeah.
7.
The thing, its timer is going up. It's 5 seconds.
5.
4, 3,
Come
2.
on.
Shall I do
Think.
it or not? So, as per Aryan, what was your answer, Aryan?
I'm Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar. Do you think it was the right one? Mm-hmm.
I heard a large crowd.
Okay, but I think it was the correct one. Perfectly said out there. It was
Wonderful, Aryan. Wonderful.
Great going. Okay, now we move ahead with the Pegasus House. All set in? Here we go with the audio clip.
Well, I hated oppression. And when I think about the past, the type of things they did, I feel angry. You have a limited time to stay on earth. You must try and use that period for the purpose of transforming your country into what you desire it to be. And therefore, you had to reject all negative features in your own soul, in your blood system, and focus your attention on the positive things. I wonder.
So your time starts now. Who is the speaker? A very famous one, a famous leader. Who is the speaker? He's a very famous leader. Very, very famous. 12 seconds.
Come on, students, think fast.
Come on. No, like
7, 6, 5.
Five.
Nelson Mandela, I guess.
Nelson Mandela.
Okay, so the answer clock started on Nelson Mandela. That is not the wrong answer. It's the correct one. Way to go. Very good.
Very
Very
good.
nice. Round of applause. Very good. Moving now with the Cygnus. All set in? Here we go with the audio clip.
So why do I talk about the benefits of failure? Simply because failure meant a stripping away of the inessential. I stopped pretending to myself that I was anything other than what I was, and began to direct all my energy into finishing the only work that mattered to me. Had I really succeeded at anything else, I might never have found the determination to succeed in the one arena where I believed I truly belonged. I was set free because my greatest fear had been realized, and I was still alive, and I still had a daughter whom I adored, and I had an old typewriter and a big idea. And so rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life. You might never fail on the scale I did, but some failure in life is inevitable. It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default.
So your time starts now. Aryan, Shreya, already knowing Toshvi, already knowing the answers out there. So Cygnus, it's your turn. So you have to answer up. Think through. You know
Ma'am,
the
J.K.
person
Rowling.
very well.
J.K. Rowling.
You have read
J.K.
the
Rowling.
novels very well.
J.K. Rowling.
Who said that?
Krish.
Krish, J.K. Rowling. Okay. Shall I take it up? Think about
Yeah.
it.
Yes,
Yes,
sure.
ma'am.
Or
Yes, ma'am.
shall I
J.K.
look
Rowling.
it?
Yeah.
Okay. Think through the last 3 seconds, 2 seconds.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah,
J.K.
ma'am.
Rowling.
J.K. Rowling.
So sure.
It is not J.K. Rowling's, but it is J.K. Rowling's. Absolutely correct. It is J.K. Rowling. Very good.
Very good, Krish. Very good. Well done.
Very done. Now we have come to the end of this audio round. I think it's a neck-to-neck competition going in. I will now call upon Garima ma'am to let us know the results. Please, Garima ma'am.
I'm sure you already know the scores, but as the next round is rapid fire round, so you all have to be ready for that. Okay, so the score after round 3 for Delphinus House is 40 points. Phoenix, Pegasus, and Cygnus are leading with 60 points. Give a huge round of applause for all the participants. Well done.
So all of you in the neck to neck going good, very good out there. So now be ready for the next round, the rapid fire round, which might be able to make us draw the lines. Who is going to go up and down out there? Let's see. Maybe not. So let's see what happens in the next round of the rapid fire round. Going across with the rules first. Each house will be given a minute out there to give the answer. As many questions as you can attempt out there. So you'll be getting the questions out there. it's 10 marks for each correct answer you'll be given, and 30 seconds for each question will be put forward to you. If anything is wrong, you'll be coming to know after the 30-second gets winded up, the answers out there. So first we are going to go with the Delphinus house. Before I start with the question out there, I want you all to choose one person who will be giving the answers as a representative from your house. For Delphinus, who will go ahead? You can discuss, talk about it among yourself, decide up who will be the person who will be representative. That doesn't mean
Can I be?
you have to discuss among your team members.
Sure, yeah.
Toshi?
I think please join the classroom and now send your paper.
Sabaksh, can you mute yourself, dear? Yes, who is the one who is taking the stand for Delphinus?
Yes, sir. Anubhav, Darshan.
Sure.
Who is taking it? Toshvi, you're taking it?
Toshi, take it.
Students, you have
They'll help you. If somebody has taken an initiative out there, who will be the one? So I'll start the Okay. So we'll start with Delphinus house. Very good. And here we go with the very first question for Delphinus house. You have to spell the word I'm going to tell you. The word is colossal. The word is colossal. Spell out the word colossal.
Can you repeat?
L-O-S-S-A-L.
Colossal. The one who is the representative is speaking. You can guide her. Yes.
Ma'am, is it Colosseum, right?
Yes.
Ma'am,
You can move ahead. If not, it's a 1 minute for the questions you're able to attempt. We'll move ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
The next question is, he cannot live in a closed apartment. He is dash. A person who cannot live in a closed place out there
Claustrophobic.
is said to be what?
Ma'am, claustrophobic.
Toshi, you want to give the answer? What? Claustrophobic. Absolutely correct. The answer is claustrophobic out there. Absolutely correct. The next one
Mamta ma'am, time's up.
There are 4 words in English language that ends in D-O-U-S.
Ma'am, you need to hold on. Garima ma'am said time is up. So you can't ask
Okay.
this question.
Sure. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. So your time is up. 1 minute was there. You were able to give only one answer, but that's with the going out there. It's okay. Let's proceed out with the next one. Now we'll be having the Phoenix. Are you all set in? The be quick, be agile. If you don't know, move on, pass on. Okay. So here we go with the word out there. The word is
Wait, Mamta ma'am. Who is going to represent Phoenix?
yeah. Sorry. Who is the representative here for the Phoenix House? Decide among yourself, discuss, and one of you take an initiative out there. There are 4 of you. Aditya, Aryan, Soumya, and where's the fourth one? Yes, Quaish.
Ian, can you represent for him?
Who'll go ahead?
I'll do it.
Yes, you do it.
Aryan, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the very first word to spell the word is perseverance.
Perseverance. Perseverance.
Perfectly right. Very good. The next question is, who is the writer of the book Train to Pakistan?
Skip.
Pardon?
God is everywhere. He is. Skip.
Next, God is he is said to be what? There's one word for that. Next one. What is special about this sentence? The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
I think the irony of this sentence that the fox is usually lazy.
No, it's not the irony. This has all the alphabets of English here. All the alphabets are here in this particular sentence. Okay. The next one. What part of speech is prickle meaning to punch us slightly with fine sharp points? Which part of speech? The word prickle will come under.
Time's up.
Time's up. Okay, great going. You tried up out there. Very good. Let's proceed ahead with the next one. Pegasus, are you all set in? So here we go with the Pegasus. The first word, spell the word. Before that, who is going to take the initiative? Be the representative for the group out there? Who is going ahead? Shreya is there. Parnika, Ananya.
Hello. हाँ दीदी बोल ना.
Yes, anybody from Pegasus?
Shreya,
you're taking?
Okay, sure.
Garima ma'am, mute yourself.
Shall we start, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so spell the word. The word is calibration.
Calibration.
Yes.
CALIBRATION.
Perfectly said. The next one. Which book of Salman Rushdie won the Booker Prize? You can help your friends. Next is something which cannot be avoided. You cannot avoid the thing. One word for that. You can help your friends.
Unavoid. No, I don't know.
Shall we move? It's
inevitable.
Absolutely correct. It's inevitable. Very good. The next one. Dash is the longest word in English with all the letters in alphabetic order. Longest word. Any guesses?
No.
No, it's almost. It's almost the longest one with the correct order. Next one. Which part of speech is principle, meaning a general truth or proposition? Part of speech.
Time's up.
Time's up. Great going. You tried up. Very good, Shreya. Very nicely done. Let's proceed ahead with the next one, the Cygnus House. All set in. Who will be taking the hold now? Cygnus House, who will take the initiative? Krish is there, Krishna.
Wait.
I'll do it.
Yeah, wait.
Wait, you're taking in?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. You can help your classmate. Here we go, your teammate. Here we go with the very first one. Spell the word. It's pitiable.
What, ma'am?
Pitiable.
P-I-T-I-A-B-L-E.
Perfectly said. Next one. Name the first novel of Chetan Bhagat.
Skip, ma'am.
The next one is a period of time between two events during which something different happens. Period of time between two things. Skip. Next one. Which country contains the largest English-speaking population in the world?
Britain.
It's India.
Okay.
Amazed? Okay, the next one coming in. Which part of speech is privileged, meaning a right or immunity, or enjoyed by all, or that may be enjoyed under circumstances or special conditions? Which part of speech privilege
Ma'am,
comes in?
adjective.
No, it is not adjective, it is a noun coming in.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
next
Skip.
one,
Time's up. Time's up.
time's up. So with this thing, we are coming to the end of the rapid fire round. Now we come to know where we all are standing in. So I would like to invite Ms. Garima ma'am to kindly come forward and reveal the scores of the last round. Ma'am, please.
At the end of round 4, we have Delphinus House with 50 points. Phoenix and Cygnus with 70 points. And
Keep the
Pegasus
applause
with
running up.
80 points. Now, we will have a tiebreaker for Phoenix and Cygnus.
So
And the
we
team
have
who will answer first will get the 5 points for the correct answer. Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mamta ma'am, you can proceed now.
Thank you so much. So whoever gets the first one with the correct answer is the winner with the plus 5 points. All set in with the buzzer in front of you. Here we go
Yes,
with
ma'am.
the tiebreaker question. You need to tell me the name of this particular novel of the book as per the pick given to you. It's all men. You would have heard about it. All the men are there. It's a movie clip also being given, novel part also being reinforced there. So none of the teams are knowing it. It's the League of
3 men in a
Extraordinary.
boat. Ma'am, 3 men in a boat.
Pardon?
3 men in a boat.
No, no, no. It's a League of Extraordinary Men. Can we move ahead with the next question? Which is the highest selling novel of all time and has been made into a movie numerous times? It is a far, far better thing that I do that I never done. It is a far, far better rest that I go to than I have ever known. Very famous.
Harry Potter.
No, no, not the Harry Potter. Any other guess? The rounds are getting tougher now.
Ma'am,
Any
I
other?
know the author. I don't know the novel.
Who's the author?
Charles Dickens.
Absolutely correct. So what's the movie?
I don't know what it is.
A Tale of Two Cities.
Absolutely correct. The correct answer is A Tale of Two Cities. And by this, Phoenix goes ahead with a plus 5. Very good. Way to go. So now towards the end of this particular tiebreaker, I would now request Garima ma'am to kindly come forward and reveal the scores. Garima ma'am, please.
Thank you, Mamta ma'am. Very well done to all of you. You all were fantabulous while performing today in the English Quiz Competition 2021. And with this, are you all excited to know the scores? You already know that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So still, I would like to repeat the scores. We have Delphinus House with 50 points. Then we
Clap
have
for them, everybody. Give a huge round of applause for all their efforts. Well done,
Now,
Delphinus.
who's the next one? We have Cygnus House with 70 points. A huge round of applause for Cygnus House.
Very good.
Well done, Cygnus. Well done. No, it was a tough competition. Neck to neck, you were there.
Second position has been now grabbed by Phoenix House with 75 points. And here we have the winner for today's English E-Quiz Competition 2021. Pegasus House with 8 points. A huge round of applause for all the
Very good.
participants.
All of you performed very well, extremely well.
Wonderful,
Next
Pegasus
winning
House.
one.
Wonderful.
Congratulations to all. Congratulations to all the winners and the participants as well. It was an amazing show, and it was a delight, early morning having this kind of quiz wherein all our avid readers were the participants, rather finalists. It was so amazing to see you all performing, and that all the answer mostly were so spontaneous. Like, I was quite amazed. So good going, kids. Well done, well done. I guess English department is taking good care of all these students, teaching them well to perform in such a way. Well done. Really very proud of you all.